YouTube! Today we're gonna try the challenge. What is the largest gummy? Okay, let's start. Wait! That's sponsored by Lexi. Lexi the dog! Yay! Lexi's cake. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! We have a trolley biggest gummy ever. So it has one, the top and the bottom, and we have some lettuce, cheese, what's this? Patty. Okay, that's it. So taste that. Oh, let's see. Oh, you can see this.
Yeah.
This is so freaking amazing. So, taste test. In 3, 2. Huh, I didn't say go. You eat it. Oh, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. No, the lettuce.
Can I have some?
Where are yours? In that side.
Sponsored by Lexi.
Like, Patty,
Kahit ano.
give the patty first. Kasi may mga kagat na to eh.
Okay lang.
Lettuce. Ah! Oh no! Thanks for watching. Hey, wait. Make sure you subscribe and like. Or if you subscribe, good. If you subscribe, you can get
Pop,
this.
pop,
Also,
pop,
this is our
pop.
lettuce. Kojek, quiet. Okay, these are drinks. This is the root beer and this is Mountain Dew. Lettuce. So,
Huwag lang. Kahit na sa'yo kay God.
Is it done?
Huwag lang.